Go.
Okay, I'm Rebecca. There.
Introduce the song. I'll Be Singing.
I'll Be Singing You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift.
Make it big.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room with a typical Tuesday night. Listen to the canned music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's strict captain and I'm on the bleachers. Even at the street, you can find what you're looking for. Has been here the whole time, and you can see that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walking the streets with you with your one-eyed shoes. I can't believe this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You got a smile like a light of this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while, so she brought you down. You said, but I know you better than that. What you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's strict captain and I'm on the bleachers. She never takes you wake and find what you're looking for. It's been here the whole time and you see my what you want to be. In and around, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by, waiting at the back door. All this time, I just have known to be. Belong with me.
No, I want to do it right. I know, but just me next time. Yeah, but then the next video is gonna be awkward. We're gonna dance to Soulja Boy. Is that fair enough? We're gonna dance to Soulja Boy.
Oh, you run into my house at the middle of the night. As long as you stop and women and cry. As long as I stand, there's nothing in a dream. Knowing it's one, you know with me. I see that I'm the one who understands you. Been there all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by, waiting at your back door. All the time, I couldn't help you breathe. You belong with me. You belong with me. You ever come to be? Belong with me.
I'll say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Woo!
Bye.
Give her a round of applause.